Assalamualaikum, madam. We are going to start our presentation for our assignment, which is application review. In the group, have Muhammad Aris and Muhammad Hazal Haris with me. So the first application that we find that used in kiosk, which is the coffee machine kiosk. Which name is Potboy Unlimited Coffee Machine. So what is this coffee machine? This coffee machine is a kiosk under a Nescafe brand that provides unlimited refill for only RM1. So this machine provides a wide selection of coffees and there is no additional charge or refills. So in the kiosk, we have this module which is we can select the coffee type, and then we actually go to the setting how much we want the sweetness, or we can select the if we want the only creamer or we want a blend coffee one. So after that there will be a language setting which we can select the language which in Malay, English and Chinese. So there's actually a poor design and interaction with the kiosk, which is the confusing startup page. Actually, the user has to readily touch the screen to go to the coffee selection. This is because there is no start button. This is very difficult when the screen cannot detect the touch from the customer. This is a problem for elderly who has a low sense of touch. So to summarize the finding of the application, it's actually quite benefit to personal, society and country, which is we can save time. This kiosk has a lot of positive effect on the community. This is because the kiosk provide a service that does not take much time and it also very easy to use. In addition, this machine give innovation in business term of service, self-service machine. The shortcoming of this kiosk is that we still need to pay the shopkeeper to get a glass. It is still acceptable because with one glass, we will get unlimited coffee without any limit of refill. Next is the messenger application. So, as the Malaysian government create the messenger apps, is to control the COVID-19 outbreak across the nation. User can access their own and their family health with this tool. Additionally, individuals can keep track of how their health is doing during the COVID-19 outbreak. Additionally, messenger enables the Ministry of Health to keep track of users' health condition and act quickly to provide the necessary treatments. The messenger apps was created to assist the government to manage the mitigating the COVID-19 outbreaks, helps user in monitoring their health through the COVID-19 outbreak, assist user in getting treatment, and locate nearest hospital and clinic for COVID-19 screening. Messenger is developed through a strategic cooperation between the National Security Council, the Ministry of Health, the Malaysia Administrative Modernization and Management Planning Unit, and Malaysian Communication and Multimedia Communication, and Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation. So in the application, they have this module, which is the COVID-19 risk status, infectious disease tracker, manage dependence, COVID-19 vaccination, COVID-19 self-test, locate health facilities, organ donor place, appointment, travel, and so on. So when we using this application, there's actually some poor design in this application, which is the unavailable setting of font size in app. For this application, we need to go to telephone setting to change settings such as font setting, color of the birth certificate. This application only has menu setting for profile, location, and some setting related to user terms and the condition. So to summarize this finding, this application is very helpful for community in controlling and preventing the COVID-19 disease. In the new update of this application, the developer added new features such as height weight calculation and quarantine announcement. This application also provides a service helpline which is fully controlled by the Ministry of Health. For the next one is the mobile app, which is Strava Run, Hike, Ride and Hike. So what is this application? It is actually has a function where you can track your active life in one place and share the journey with friends. Strava make fitness tracking social. We house your entire activity journey and you get to share it with friends. So this is how we can track it. We can record everything which is run, ride, hikes, yoga, and other more of sport types. Think of the Strava as the home base of your movement. They also have a has a data insight, which is to get understanding your progress, to see how you improve. So in the application, they have a few model which is home, maps, record, groups, event, trainer, and so on. So in this application, there is a flaw in the design, which is that this application has an unattractive interface. This makes the user feel bored with the way of sorting option. This application also has an interactive arrangement which makes it difficult to find what we need, such as running event, location, and also has problem with the distance tracking display. So to summarize, this application helps us in exercising and do activities such as walking, jogging, and climbing. This application provides a community space which can help. We can raise our spirit in doing health activity. It also provides a selection of interesting event to participate in. For the next one is e-learning Codecade Mind. This is actually a free online platform for learning programming. So we can use the catalog. So you do resource as community, language, and subject. So in this application, they have a poor design, which is a non-friendly cross-platform site. This site has a difference if the user use a computer or mobile phone. The problem here is that the screen display for mobile user is very bad because of the limited space, and the main menu for mobile user is very confusing. To summarize, for our finding, this site is very useful for the community, especially among students who want to learn programming language. This site provides all kinds of language and offers certificate for those who finish studying and succeed in the tests given by them. So this is the interface in the website. Thank you for hearing our presentation, and thank you for listening.